Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool which will be very useful for you to automate your research paper writing. So here a template available called research paper writing. So what are the input specifications you want, you can give. So accordingly it will generate an input, there is output for your research paper. Let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on EV charging station with PV and wind energy as sources. So in this workshop, we are going to model PV and wind energy as input sources, and then we are going to implement maximum power point tracking technique in both of them to grasp maximum amount of energy during variation condition. So after that, we are going to connect it with grid. So then that setup is going to given to EV charging station, and we are going to make a proper power flow management between that input sources and the load. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that, so here you can see Siuuu AI. So this is the dashboard of the Siuuu AI. So there are different options available here called story writing, academic writing, blog and AI writing. So these are the different options available. So in that I am going to give as academic writing. So in this just click on create. So here you are asked to give key elements, so definition of the key elements. So here I am going to give, for example, I am going to give about machine learning algorithms. So after that, if you want any keywords, you can give. So types of machine learning, types of learning methods, that is machine learning algorithms in MPPT. So like that you can give to track maximum power in PV system. So like that I am going to give an input. So after that you can select subject as science, language as English. So the type, so you can give graduate or PhD, whatever you want. So you can select as a journal. Research objectives, so you can enter research objectives. So you can give to design or to formulate machine learning algorithm for solar PV system MPPT algorithm. So if you have clear arguments, so you can give. So after that you have clear conclusions, you can give. So after that click on continue. So here you can select an outline to structure your content. So here you can see that, so automatically the outline of the paper or that is the research work will be generated here. So here you can see that in section 1 it will give the introduction. The section introduces a concept of maximum power point tracking in photovoltaic system and highlights the importance of efficient energy harvesting. The second will be about traditional MPPT techniques. The section reviews conventional MPPT algorithms, including their advantages, disadvantages and limitations. Next is section 3 is about machine learning algorithms. Next you can see section 4 is about experimental results and validation. Section 7 discussion and conclusion. So section 7 is references. So these are the different outline. So here you can see another set of outlines also will be generated. The first one itself is very satisfactory and very briefly explained. So I am going to select this one. So still it is generating the outline. So see how much a set of outlines is generating. So here again it is generating, there are around 3 sets of outline will be generated, I think so. So still it is generating the outline for your research paper. So you can select any one of them. You can have wide options for selection of outline itself. So let us see how it will generate all the outlines. So here you can see there are 5 sets of outline alone is generated using this Siuuu AI tool. So just to click on start writing. So you have to go for subscription option for start writing. So I will go now. So you have to go and you have to upgrade the plan in order to complete your research paper writing. So here you can see it is basic plan, it is $9.99 per month. So after you can see it is pro plan, it is $22.99 per month. So among until then, so you can generate this outlines for free. So in order to make it as a research paper craft, so you have to go for subscription option. So the important thing in this particular Siuuu AI is that it is generating 5 different sets of outline. That is very important, you have to watch out for. So the next option here is called story writing and AI writing. So I am going to click on AI writing. So in this AI writing, so you can see these are the different options available. So as we have experienced this academic writing, that is research paper, this is general writing. So this is related with essay, thesis, project proposal. So this one many of our subscribers also ask regarding project proposal. So here you can use this template to make a project proposal. So here these are the important contents you have to give, that is related with your business. So what is your project goal? So next is scope of that, and then deadline, what are the requirements for writing. So and you can even select the model also. So what are the models output you want, you can select. So accordingly it will generate answers for you. So like that you can write a project proposal also. So here another important option called project report. So just to click on this project report. So here you can give the same specifications, so whatever you want, so you can give here. So and then you can give status, challenges, future actions, requirements for writing. So if you have specific requirements, you can give. So whatever the input they are asking in this particular AI template, so you can give whatever you want. It will automate your that is writing. So even it is, if it is a research paper, project proposal, essay, whatever it want, it will automate your writing. So the only thing is that you have to give the input details, so accordingly it will automatically generate. So this is one of the best AI tool, especially for students, research scholars, to make to get an idea about what you are working with, and then you can generate a better content using this Siuuu AI. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So go on and explore the Siuuu AI. So you will be given 2000 words for free. So from that, if it works out well for your research paper content, so you can go for subscription option and make your writing research paper, that is research paper writing, simple and easy. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.